Hello and welcome back dear friends to the Computer Article again. Today I will show you how to scan your documents without any software installed on your phone with the help of Google Drive scanner. So everyone has pre-installed a Google Drive on your Android smartphone. Just click on the Google Drive and open it, and you will find a plus symbol over here. Just click on plus symbol and you'll find the scan option on right side. Click on the scan option and take the picture with the help of a camera. So I'm taking the picture now. I'm clicking. Yes, I've clicked the picture now, and click on the check mark over here, and you can adjust the picture over here with the help of the crop button and crop the size of the photo or the size of the document you want. So in this option I have kept the color as it is in a color, so it will be, I'm scanning a color document, and save it to a Google Drive with whatever name you want. After giving the name, you can click on save, and the drive will upload your scanned document, and you can access whenever you want. And now if you want to scan the document in black and white, go to the plus and scan, take a picture again, and here you will find the options of black and white, the color drawing, etc. So as per your convenience, you can choose what type of document you want, and I'm selecting here now the black and white. Then so my document is in black and white now, and as it is, you can save it to the drive again. So this is very simple to avoid hectic advertising scanners like cam scanner, Kagaz, everything will find for every 2-second ad. So thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and share.